vulnerable to
Ratchet and Clank fire attacks! Slideshow!
Stabilizer offline. Warning. 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 Core stabilizer offline.
Dr. DeFerry, sir! I mean, Doctor! Where are you going? Me? Nowhere. Certainly
Ratchet and Clank fire attack!
We've been infiltrated. The Galactic Rangers are trying to shut down the deplanetizer, and I can't find Chairman Drek anywhere.
Want something done right, you have to do it yourself.
Warning. Warning. Core stabilizer offline. Ratchet.
And we're clear.
Everybody! That's good. Yeah!
Ratchet.
Greetings, cadet.
Mr. Clark!
Galactic Rangers, I'm placing you under arrest.
Oh, you can't do that. I'll just arrest you right back.
On what charge?
False arrest, being annoying. Who cares?
You stabbed your own team in the back, Quark.
Just like you stabbed me in the back. Taking my fans, my sponsors, my lucrative endorsement deals, my parking space.
You were my hero.
I don't want to be there!
I am way better looking than nefarious.
In attack!
By force if necessary.
Oh, Widow Wombat with a widow gun. Tell me what I want to do.
On your left side. Now you're right. Enough, Quark. Nefarious is tricking you. He wants you to destroy the entire system.
Oh, that's right. You know everything. Hey, why don't we all do
Ratchet and Clank fire attack!
Ratchet, look out.
Oh my. Fuzz blades? I taught you better than that. This is my...
He's just too good. Oh dear.
Tornado launcher. Harrius may be a homicidal lunatic, but he sure can't build a gun.
Quark, please. You're not a villain. You're not like Nefarious. This isn't you and you know it. If Umbris is destroyed, everyone will die, including us. Is that how you want to be remembered?
Alright. People in the news.
I'm sorry. I don't know how things got this far.
This is just pathetic.
Alright, it's over! You have to leave the air!
He's here to place you under arrest.
Me?
Absolutely. Arrest this man for his unspeakable crimes against the galaxy.
My crimes? The real crime is how you treated me. The Rangers couldn't even give me a proper laboratory.
We have an operational
The
plan.
Ratchet and Clank fire attack!
Term of endearment.
Day after day, I slaved away, creating all the weapons.
Just not by this to into my shape. The joking here.
You're the galaxy's biggest joke.
Maybe. But now the last laugh is on you.
Wait, what?
Covering the mountain.
No, it didn't. It sounded like you were combining the joke is on you with I'll have the last laugh.
Take your pick.
That's not
to engage, Mag Booster?
Ratchet and Clank are still inside.
Drake's gonna fire at any moment. We don't have any more time.
My point is, if you're gonna use a one-liner, it should make sense and be relevant to the situation.
Look, I workshop thousands of these a year, and they can't all be gold. So put your hands in the air.
Over your dead body.
Mag Boosters engage! Full power!
It's working. Stay with it.
Steady now. Steady.
What's happening?
Decontact. Now online.
Quark, don't let him turn it on.
Get off me, you has-been! You know, maybe Drake was right. I am a mad scientist.
Yes, sir, it changed. Stop the music!
Insolent, idiotic. Break off! Break off!
Copy that. Ratchet, you have to get out of there now.
Weapon locker depleted.
Yeah, we're working on it.
No, my plan! You've ruined my plan! You've had this one coming a long time, Clark. Of all my brilliant creations, it
Don't worry, he ain't going to go. Kids, it's a secret. Our soul boy.
you want.
Hey, nefarious.
Hey! Neat. College.
Warning. Now entering Umbra's atmosphere. Any ideas?
Come on, guys. Get out of there. Come on.
Never make it out in time. Got to help.
Too late. There's nothing we can do.
We must find one of Drake's teleporters.
I saw one on the bridge.
Watch out!
We are something! Hey, don't worry, at least!
Get out while you can. Teleporter charging.
We'll start with a quick! Let me write the Citadel works.
Improvising.
way!
Are we dead? Huh?
We are alive.
All Rangers alive and accounted for.
Welcome back, Rangers. Good job.
How many planets did
Go,
we
Ratchet the
land on?
Clank, fire with attack.
You don't have to do big things to be a hero.
Will the big have such you?